The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Multiplication of Decimal Numbers. Example, 4 multiplied by 1.23. Let us take the example 4 multiplied by 1.23. Here, the multiplier is a whole number and the multiplicand is a decimal number, and therefore the decimal number should be converted into a whole number. That means 4 remains the same and 1.23 becomes 123. The multiplied value of the two numbers will have whole number and decimal parts. The number of digits in the decimal part will be 2, as the number 4 has no decimal digit. But the number 1.23 has 2 decimal digits. Therefore, 2 decimal digits in the result should be earmarked for the decimal part. Now, let us treat the two numbers as whole numbers and multiply 4 and 123. Let us set the multiplier 4 in the extreme left of the abacus. For setting the multiplicand, we have to count the digits of the multiplier, that is 1, add it with the digits of the multiplicand, that is 3, and add 1 for the abacus, which makes up the number of digits to be considered for setting the multiplicand as 5. Therefore, we have to count 5 columns from the extreme right of the abacus and set the highest digit of the multiplicand, that is 1 followed by the digit 2 to its right and then 3 to the right of 2. Let us start with the lowest digit of the multiplicand, which is 3, and multiply it with the number 4. We get 12 as the multiplied value, of which 1 should be set in the tens column and 2 in the units column. Before proceeding further, we have to clear the multiplied number of the multiplicand. That means the number 3 of the multiplicand should be cleared. You can also note that unless this digit is cleared, you don't get a space to the right side of the digit 2 of the multiplicand, and therefore the clearance becomes necessary. Now let us start with the multiplication of 2 with the multiplier 4. It is 8, which means you have to treat that as 0, 8. The 0 should be set in the hundreds column and 8 in the tens column. In the tens column, there is already 1 value and you have to simply add the remaining 8 there. This is a straightforward addition. Now we have to clear the digit 2 of the multiplicand, and at this stage we are left with 1 of the multiplicand. Let us multiply 1 with the multiplier 4, and the result 4 should be treated as 0, 4. So here 0 should be added in the thousands column. That means you have to simply skip that column and 4 should be added in the hundreds column. Now you can also clear number 1 of the multiplicand and the multiplier. The result we get is 492. As the multiplier and the multiplicand have a total of 2 decimal digits, 2 digits from the right of the result number should be earmarked for the decimal portion, and therefore in the result 492 the decimal point should be put between 4 and 9, and the final result is 4.92.